In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Firstly, open Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Now select All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Now it's time to choose Continue in the pop-up and then click on Continue here. Make sure to tap on Google, hit OK and go back. Finally, tap on Google Password Manager and add any password you wish by tapping on Add Password, unless you see this screen instead. That means that you never added a password before and you need at least one to add them manually. To fix it, hit Settings. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on, and then pick any app or any website that requires logging in to an account. Log in to yours and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, hit Save at the bottom right corner and go back to Devices Settings. Finally, hit Google Password Manager. Select Add Password here and add any other one manually. To do it now, you need to input your website or hit Select App to tap on a chosen one. Enter your username, email or phone number, and then your password. Now hit Save at the top right corner to continue, and as you can see, after a few seconds, both of my passwords were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!